Construction leaders should be intolerant. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Many construction companies spend a lot of time figuring out the mission and the values that drive their organization, but they fail to make the link between the statement of mission and vision and values and day-to-day behavior and operations. And the reason why is because they tolerate a disconnection between their stated values and vision and the way that they build. As a construction leader, you should be intolerant of that disconnection. So let's say one of your values is a fully engaged team, and you're in the meeting with your project managers and project engineers reviewing projects for the week, and you sense that one of your project managers is disengaged. Your job as the leader of the organization is to not tolerate that. Make sure that you meet with that project manager privately. Look them in the eye and say, hey, listen, one of our values is that we are a fully engaged team. When you're in that meeting, what that means is that you fully engage in those meetings, communicating what's going on in your project, asking for help, giving help. The way that you're showing up is extremely important, and we will not tolerate a lack of engagement because one of our values is a fully engaged team. So, as a construction leader, be intolerant of any violations of your values or your vision. And it will help you to be much more effective in terms of articulating and realizing your values and vision in practical day-to-day behavior. My name is Anderton. I hope you found this video helpful. Now go out there and be intolerant.